good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can build the world with properties and this beautiful texture and lot of items or some obstacles or road or something like that in the Roblox Studio. And this is a very basic beginner, very basic beginner tutorial, you can say, means basic building of the world, you can say, with some this theme is, let me play and show you for the first time. This is a small burger game, just for the tutorial purpose I have created, and I did the tutorial of this game, how you can code this easily with using AI. The player should eat the burger and should avoid the obstacles. If so, collision with that will restart the game. But our tutorial is how you can build a world like this. So for that, what I'll do is I'll take a new Roblox Studio. So this is where you will start, right? The first thing I'll be showing you is how you can apply the basic texture. See, basic texture to the Baseplate. When I select this Baseplate here at the left side, just for a moment I'll cancel the properties here, and under the workspace, this is the Baseplate, right? There is a texture. This texture has nothing. So if you want to keep some texture, you can, in the toolbox in the left side, you can just search as decals or the images, you can say. And now here you can search like whichever image you want. I am saying like green grass. Maybe just for drag and drop it over this texture. Sorry. Delete. Properly drop this. Yeah, now it's there. Now just play this and test. So likewise, you can upload from your laptop also. This decal or this image or this texture, I just dragged and dropped from the available images within the toolbox, right? But what you can do is you can import an image which suits your requirement according to your game plan, which I did in this other tutorial. This is a burger game, right? So I thought I would keep something which is like cartoonic or vector graphics. That's the reason I chosen this one. Likewise, you can also choose. I'll tell you how you can do that. To import this, first you need to open your browser. You need to browse through create.roblox.com. Open your browser and browse to create.roblox.com. If you are not yet signed in, just sign into your Roblox account and click on this creation. As we are going to upload the image, click on this development items, and here you can click on this decals and click on upload asset and choose from computer wherever you have that image. Say for example this one, just for the tutorial purpose. So just for the testing purpose, I am uploading this one. I just gave a name. So immediately I'll get these three dots and click on copy asset ID, and I need to go to my this one. I'll be deleting this one decal. And for the texture, see here there will be properties, right? Now I want to keep the properties tab also. In the properties tab, where is this? Under appearance, in the asset ID, I need to paste the asset ID here. Now we'll check the gameplay. So the changes were not there. Why is it so? Maybe I can delete this and I can add a new, click on this plus symbol and take a texture, and here I'll be pasting the one. Okay, now the texture is applied, I guess. Yes, it is applied. Now we'll check the output. Yeah, see here. So the texture got fully tiled up, right? So what you can do is, I'll be stopping this and see frame. Sorry, I need to select this texture, then click on appearance and see here studs per tile, right? I can keep it like 100 or 100. Now play and test. Yeah. Likewise, you can adjust the tiling. Okay, after that, in order to I'll take a part. Okay, yeah. Right here, now I'll try to show you how you can keep some models. So in the left side toolbox, click on this models here, and as usual, search like school bus, maybe just one for each example. I'll tell you one. Likewise, you can build the world according to you. You need to just drag and drop on the scene. Okay, from here the scene you need to adjust this, moving here. Okay, click on F, the letter F, so that you will get the focus here to the object where it is, and you can scale it also. You can scale it whichever the way you want. Okay, and you can rotate and everything you can use with these tools. Fine. Or in the properties section, here also you can adjust the details, xyz values and everything, and likewise you can keep some trees. I'll keep one. Okay, yeah. And now for each update you can check how it is looking, whether it is looking good or not. And see here, this is like anchored, right? Whenever you place an object, where is this tree, right? Yeah, this is because of the object which is placed in the scene is anchored. If I turn off this anchor, it will go off. I'll be showing you at the end. Okay, say for example, if you want to draw something on the terrain, I'll tell you that one also. Till now I told you how you can keep the objects here, the 3D models, by just going to this and click on. Either you can use the mesh parts also, but mesh parts will have different properties, means these are of different type. Okay, the models and the mesh parts, according to your requirement you can just keep them. And I'll be quickly going to the terrain building now. Yeah, here there is the option, right, just beside the part. Click on this terrain, so that you will get this terrain editor here, and click on this edit, and there is a draw tool, like click on this draw tool, and just for the testing I'm going, see here, currently the grass is selected, maybe I can draw over here just for like a cycle, and now I'll play and check. You can increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, see here, quickly I have drawn the grass, which is can collide property terrain. Okay, I'll quickly close this. There is draw, and okay, I'll just close the toolbox just for once, and see here, now I can choose different parts and I can draw easily. Means this is really fast. Okay, see, I can just erase if I want to by selecting on the smooth tool. Okay, maybe if in some part if you don't want, you can just erase that, and you can use all these tools, this is the flatten tool. Yeah, you can just try and test, and clicking on the draw, you can increase the brush size. Right now I have increased the brush size. Maybe I can use this one, and see here, sorry, yeah, I'll click on Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Maybe I have taken too much size of the brush size. Okay, this is fine, this is fine, 8. Okay, now I can draw some garden border, and now we'll test. This is the basic building. Okay, I'll zoom the camera. Yeah, see here, but according to your game plan, according to your idea, just you can make use of all these objects. If you are a beginner to the Roblox Studio, from here you can start. Later, according to your game requirements, slowly you can improvise your game environment or the game world building skills. See here, this I have drawn on the air, that's the reason it is showing up like this. Likewise, according to your creativity and your game requirement, you can keep the properties or the objects, or you can draw in the terrain, etc. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.